Hello students, once again welcome to English Grammar Classroom. Today's topic is uses of tense. In my last video, I discussed about present tense. Okay, all the four parts of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In my last two videos, I discussed it, and now I am going to discuss about past tense. Okay, there are four parts: simple past or past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let's start with simple past tense. Okay, simple past or past indefinite tense. Now when do we use simple past tense? We use simple past tense to express that something was done or took place in past time. Clear? Once again listen, we use simple past tense to express that something was done or took place in past time. Example, I met him yesterday. Okay, look, I is subject here. Met is here second form of verb. First form of verb is meet. It is second form. Third form is also met him yesterday. Look, time is mentioned. Whenever you want to mention the time in the mention the time, at that time you can use simple past tense. Okay, look at the rule here: subject plus second form of verb. Okay, in simple past tense always use second form of verb. For example, look, go, went, gone. Go is the first form of verb, went is the second form of the verb, gone is the third form of verb. In the same way, do, did, done. Okay, drink, drank, drunk. Okay, first from, second from, third from. If you have no idea, then go through it from any grammar book. Okay, now look here: he failed last year. He is the subject here. Failed once again second form of verb, and when last year, time mentioned. Whenever time is mentioned, it is simple past tense. Okay, now simple past tense also used to express a habitual action in the past. Habitual action in the past. I am giving one example. For example, I played tennis. Okay, that means I used to play. Okay, when I was in college. Okay, I played tennis. It means that I used to play when I was in college. Now with simple past tense, don't get confused with present perfect tense. Okay, now present perfect tense is also more or less like that, but it is different. Okay, in present perfect tense we don't mention the time. In present perfect tense, what we do, it is used to express the action which has just been completed. For example, Reena has made sandwiches. What do you understand from this sentence? From this sentence, we come to know that Reena has just made sandwiches. For example, look, we have just booked our ticket. It means that just we have done it. Okay, so here the rule is subject plus has have. Okay, and here we use third form of verb: book, booked, booked. Okay, make, made, made. Third form of verb, not second form of verb. And look, here time is not mentioned. For example, this sentence: we have just booked our ticket. If you want to write in past tense, what you will write? We booked our ticket yesterday. You have to mention the time in the past event when you have done it. Okay, but here this sentence indicates that we have not done it yesterday. We have just booked our ticket. Okay, so present perfect tense is also used to describe an action that began in the past. Okay, and leads up to the present. For example, we have watched 3 films this year. Okay, this month we have watched 3 films. This type of sentence you have to express in present perfect tense. Another type, I am telling you, another point: to describe an action that happened in the past but is important at the time of speaking. Happened in the past, okay, but is important at the time of speaking. For example, I have collected my certificate. Okay, now I am telling that I have collected my certificate. When I have collected it, I am not mentioning. Okay, if I want to write in past tense, then I will tell that I collected my certificate last month. I am mentioning a perfect time. Okay, but here I am not mentioning. Here I am just telling that I have collected my certificate. When I have collected, I am not mentioning. So this type of sentence you will write in present perfect tense. Now let's come to the past. I'm talking about past. Okay, this is also present perfect tense. Okay, and now let's come to past continuous tense. Now when do we use past continuous tense? Past continuous indicates that the action was going on in the past. Listen, action going on in the past. Look, when I called upon her, okay, she was singing. Means I called upon her. Okay, that is in simple past tense. At that time, what she was doing, action going on in the past. She was singing. Okay, look at the rule here: was, were plus verbing. Okay, subject was for singular, were for plural. Okay, and verbing. Next is that the light went out. Okay, light went out. That is simple past tense. When? While I was reading, means action continuing at that time. Okay, for example, look, when I saw him, simple past tense, I saw him. Okay, he was playing chess. Okay, at that time action continuing. Clear? Now what you have to do in homework, you have to make 5 sentences with simple past tense and 5 sentences with also past continuous tense. You can make 5 sentences with present perfect also to become clear about the idea. Okay, goodbye. In my next video I am going to discuss about past perfect and past perfect continuous tense.